Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. Today we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to general agriculture which have been asked in many of the competitive exams. Moving on to the first question. Chyra disease is due to the deficiency of. Chyra disease is due to the deficiency of a micronutrient, that is zinc, and it was first reported by Vial Nene. Chyra disease is usually controlled by the application of zinc sulfate. Nitrogen use efficiency in plants generally accounts for. It usually ranges from 60 to 70%, but there is an exception in paddy where there will be a decreased nitrogen use efficiency, that is 25 to 35%. Ultra micronutrient is. The ultra micronutrient is molybdenum. What is the lowest layer of atmosphere? Usually the atmosphere is divided into troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. So the lowest layer of atmosphere is troposphere and it ranges from 8 to 14.5 kilometers. Atmospheric pressure is measured by. Atmospheric pressure is measured by an instrument known as a barometer. Next question. Thermal conductivity increases with. Here if we see the options pressure, porosity, ploughing and organic matter. From these if we add organic matter, the thermal conductivity increases, whereas pressure, porosity and ploughing reduces the thermal conductivity. Stomatal movement is measured by. Stomatal movement is the opening and the closing of the stomata and it is measured by an instrument known as porometer. Most abundant enzyme on the earth is. The most abundant enzyme is Rubisco, that is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxynase and oxygenase. So this is usually present in the plants and it is responsible for the carbon fixation. Glycolysis occurs in. Glycolysis process is an anaerobic process and it occurs in the cytoplasm and it usually takes place in all organisms. Vision 2020 was given by. Vision 2020 is the concept and it was given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Gaseous agent which acts as an antitransparent. Antitransparents are the substances which reduces the rate of transpiration and the gaseous agent which is responsible is carbon dioxide. Soil destructive legume. When it is a destructive legume, then it will be soya bean. If it is a biological plough, then it will be red gram. So the soil destructive legume is soya bean. Self-mulching soils. Self-mulching soils are the black soils or the vertisols. So the self-mulching soils are vertisols and black soils. Which of the following is primary tillage implement? When we are going through the primary and secondary tillage implements, the plows are usually the primary tillage implements and the secondary tillage implements are the harrows. When we come to the rotavator, it is the primary and the secondary tillage implement. So here the primary tillage implement is plow and mouldboard plow. Dominant acid soils are found in which state? So the acid soils are dominantly found in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Acid soils are the soils which have a pH less than 5.5. Reclamation for acid soils. So for the reclamation of acid soils, we have to go for the lime application because when we apply lime to the acid soils, the pH of the soils increases. Nutrient content of urea is. The nutrient content of urea is 46% and urea supplies nitrogenous fertilizer. So the nutrient content of urea is 46% of nitrogen. Total number of functional nutrients is. When coming to the functional nutrients are 21. In that 17 are the essential nutrients and the 4 elements, that is vanadium, cobalt, sodium and silicon, are the beneficial elements. Silicon is essential for which crop? Here in the options we have rice, sugarcane and wheat. From these the crops rice and sugarcane require silicon. Along with that, maize also requires a small part of the silicon. Bunchy top of banana is caused by, the bunchy top of banana is caused by virus, and it is transmitted by the black aphid, that is Pentalonia nigronervosa. Next one, king of vegetables is, the king of vegetables is potato and the queen is tomato. The next question, white revolution is related to, white revolution is related to milk, and the father of white revolution is Vergis Kurian. World Food Prize in 2020 was awarded to, it is awarded to Ratan Lal. Father of extension education, the father of extension education is James Stewart. The total forest and the tree area in India is, it is 24%. Here we should be clear that if it is asked as the total forest area, then it will be 21%, and total forest and tree area is 24%. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to AgriCourse World for more content related to agriculture.